Here we have a gift from Silkland. It is a DisplayPort 1.4 cable to a USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 or Thunderbolt 3. Is a nylon braided cable, so it's nice and sturdy and helps prevent kinking and bending and twisting. It's about 3.3 feet long. It supports MST daisy chaining and clamshell mode. Do note that it is a DisplayPort 1.4, is not HDMI, VGA, DVI, USB-A, but just a DisplayPort 1.4. So just make sure that you have the correct DisplayPort for what you're using it for. But it can essentially, because of the daisy chaining, run up to 4 10p monitors in a series. It's capable of 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 144 Hz. It has a bandwidth of 32.4 gigahertz per second and is a very reliable cable. It is universally compatible and is compatible with MacBooks, MacBook Pros, iMacs, iPad Pro, your Samsung Galaxy S21 or S20, your Note 20, your Note 10s. So several different devices. Samsung, just make sure that you double check the listing, make sure it's compatible with the devices that you're looking to run, the monitors you're looking to run, you have the correct ports and jacks, but it is a very handy cable, especially because of the running in a series. DisplayPort cable from Silkland. Check them out.